Bakit sa tingin nyo kailangan ko kayong iboto?
For me, the only person see you guys, and the time you guys have a problem, nobody's go to you, nobody's went to you, nobody cared about you guys that time. But I went there. I went there, and then I told you, no, if you guys vote out, I'm going to quit also. So.
Eric?
Never ako nag-pretend na nag-care ako sa inyo na pagkatapos, pag nakatalikod kayo, iba yung sasabihin ko. Never ako...
I'm not sure about that because, well, maybe because you had an alliance with Aubrey, but I just think you were, how you played the game, I'm sorry, but this is my opinion, but how you played the game, you were such a baby. Every time na may sasabihin kami sa'yo, you were like a baby. Aubrey, Aubrey, Aubrey. Sumbong right away. That, you kind of lost my respect for you. I'm sorry, but I'm just
Never ako nag-promise sa inyong dalawa ni John na sasama ko sa alliance niyo.
Yes, but...
Kaya yun yung sinasabi ko, never ako nag-lie sa inyong dalawa. Never ako nagkunwari na ka-alliance niyo ako. Tapos, biglang pagtalikod niyo, magiging espiya niyo ako.
I guess I wasn't really minded by anyone because I was kind of the quiet one, but I don't think anyone thought I'd get this far. Even myself, I didn't think I'd get this far. But I think I must have done something right. I mean, in the beginning, I wasn't sure how to play. Like, when you first approached me, I was just like, you were giving me ideas, and I was just like, yes, yes, okay. Like, not really giving you my input because I didn't know how to go along. And I think I must have learned something along the way because I'm sitting amongst these people tonight.
Siyempre, pagdating sa top 5, top 4, ito na yung crucial na kailangan ko rin isipin yung sarili ko. And kung may nagawa akong mali sa'yo, then yung nga sinasabi ko, it's part of the game. Pero I'm sorry, pero sa akin kasi, I know I played the hardest. And I'm probably not the smartest here, but I know I'm one of them. So I play this hard, and na lahat na ilalabas ko sa utak ko, nilabas ko from the first day.
Okay, first, I talked to you about Michelle na bigyan natin siya ng chance.
Naawa ako talaga kahapon nung iiyak siya kasi parang hindi siya naging.
Pero, what happened? Ako yung binote out niya. And for Solen muna, para sa akin, deserving ka manalo. Pero nung nag-join ka ng alliance with Aubrey, Ervic, and Akihiro, parang I found out na parang wala kang sariling decision.
I mean, thanks to you, I'm here because so many times I said, Ira, I feel like I'm going out tonight. And you said, no, Solen, I'm not voting for you. I'm not voting for you. And you kept your word, and that's why I'm here, because of you. And also because I voted you out, maybe I'm here also because of that. But, like, you kinda, in this game, you have to switch from alliance to alliance, especially if you're like me, that then from the start, I mean, I had only one strong alliance, and Magan just disappeared in like the first week of the show. So
one thing, Ira, from the beginning to the end, I told you only your mistake. You not mistake. They couldn't see this. The time you like you are boss. Them, do you see after when we be out in TV? Everyone will see who is through here. I just tired.
the last tribal council, you said that you told Ira yourself that she was bossy.
Yes.
Yeah. I told.
You agree?
I told you
Yes,
the first time.
Let me
But
speak.
they...
Sorry.
Okay. Na-hurt ako nung sinabi ni Ervic na yung pagiging bossy ko. Nag-open forum tayo about that.
Nagets mo? Kumbaga, hindi naman tayo nagpuntang diyaya, na may utusan tayo, na pag may nakita tayong ganito, ikaw easy ka, tignan mo yung bahay natin hanggang ngayon, hindi pa tapos. Kumbaga, isang trabaho na mabilis, tapos isang pahingang mahaba, diba?
Sinaraan mo ako na do this, do that, I'm the leader. Ikaw, ano bang nagawa mo sa camp?
Ako naggawa ng unang bahay natin.
Not you. Tumulong ka lang kay Akihiro.
Wala pa si Akihiro, nasa Mystery Island si Akihiro.
Tumulong ka din, pero every time na tatanungin ka namin, anong sinasabi mo? Ano yung sinasabi mo na para pinagtutulungan ka namin ni Karen? Well, si Karen kasi napaka-prangka sa'yo. Dinedirekta kang batugan ka, tamad ka, kasi yun yung nakikita niya sa'yo.
Ang tawag doon, batugan. Hindi tamad batugan. Reklamo ng reklamo. Yun eh. Patugan.
Kung di mo kayang tanggapin yun, well, wala akong magagawa. Pero, mapapanood ng tao to, nationwide. Sinabihan niyo ako ng bossy na parang, hindi niyo naman talaga kung, kumbaga, sabi-sabi lang nung lahat. Ikaw ba? Wala ka bang kasiraan? Wala ka bang mga pagkakamali?
Meron.
Lahat gagawin mo kahit manira ka ng tao?
Wala ko sinabing manira ng tao.
Kaya tanong nga kita, kahit manira ka ng tao?
Okay,
Anong ginawa mo sa
manira
lugar
ng
na
tao?
nagpunta ka doon? Grabe si Ira, napaka-bossy. Kasi masyado ka nega eh. Wala tayong fire. Nung inutusan kita after kitang piliin for dinner, kasi alam kong pagod ka. Tumulong ka. Iniyaya ka ni Akihiro to get fish. Ano sinabi mo? No, I can't. I'm full. Tama ba sagot yun?
Totoo lang naman eh.
Ikaw sumagot, nagsasalita pa ako. Totoo.
So, yan. Yan ang pagiging sinasabi ko na...
No, I have a right. I have the right. Listen to me first.
Okay.
Kaya sinasabi ko sa ito, hindi ako galit. Gusto ko lang i-clear para mapanood ng tao na mali yung binibintang niyo sa akin. And next, remember the Mystery Island, the pinagsisinungaling mo ko sa Nagar dahil I got the immunity bracelet. Dahil sinabi nyo, i-vote out nila ako.
Hindi
Diba?
lang.
Wait lang, bakit mo ako gustong magsinungaling? Which is alam kong kayo pala mag-vote out sa akin.
Alam mo, kahit alam ko na mainit yung dugo mo sa akin,
Oh.
kahit alam ko na mayroon tayong medyo naging hindi maganda yung pinagsamahan natin sa Sarmayi, ginawa pa rin kitang tulungan dahil alam ko, nakita ko nung araw na yon na porsigido ka maghanap ng points. Tapos ako, nakakita ko ng 2 points na pwede kong sabihin na ba't ko siya tutulungan? Alam ko na na mayroong something na hindi mo gusto sa akin. Siyempre, tao naman ako na mag-feel mo yun kung yung tao gusto ka o hindi. Ayun
Huwag
nga.
mo akong turuan magsinungaling kasi ako, pwede ako mag-lie at alam ko kung kailan ko gagamitin.
Ayun nga.
Enough.
Sana lang,
Akihiro.
nakita mo lang na nagmalasakit ako sa'yo, pero hindi mo pa rin na-appreciate yung pagmamalasakit ko.
Tanong mo kung may sinabi ako sa kanila against you. Wala. That's it.
You know, before, I think you were two bosses, blah, 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 pero now I know you. Now you explain to me your attitude. It's not bossy. You just want to work hard and want help, but the way he see, it's, you know, they see you and they just laugh. They say,
So, para sa akin, hindi bossy yung tawag doon. Gusto ko lang tumulong. That's all. Thank you.
Ang susunod na jury na maaaring magsalita, Moy.